Hey everyone, I am Siansh. Welcome back to Siansh Lab. We're on a mission to reach 100 subscribers. So if you're ready to level up your Python skills, hit that subscribe button. In today's lesson, we're tackling two absolute essentials for every programmer: comments and typecasting. These are the secrets to writing professional, readable, and interactive code. By the end of this masterclass, you'll not only know how to document your projects like a pro, but you'll also understand how to safely move data between different types to build interactive apps. Imagine looking at a piece of code you wrote 6 months ago. Without any explanation, it can look like a foreign language, even to the person who wrote it. That's where comments come in. A comment is a simple note written inside your code. The most important thing to remember is that Python completely ignores these lines when it runs your program. Single-line comments start with the hash or pound symbol. They are perfect for giving a quick one-sentence explanation of what a specific line is doing. You can also place them at the end of a line. This is called an inline comment, and it's great for adding a tiny bit of context to a function call or a variable assignment. But what if you have a lot to say? For long explanations or documentation, we use multi-line comments. In Python, we create these using 3 quotes at the beginning and the end. These are often used as docstrings to provide a high-level overview of a script or a complex function. It's a habit that every professional developer should have. Let's talk best practices. A bad comment explains the obvious. For example, telling Python to set x to 10 when the code clearly shows that is a waste of space. A good comment explains the why. Instead of saying you're setting a status to 1, explain what that number 1 actually represents in your program's logic. One more thing, keep your comments updated. If you change your code but forget to change the comment, you're creating a trap for whoever reads your code next. Now that our code is well documented, let's learn how to make it flexible. Sometimes Python stores data in one format, but our program needs it in another. This is called typecasting. Think about a variable like points stored as text inside quotes. To you and me, it looks like 50, but to Python, it's just a sequence of characters, no different from a word.
If you try to add 10 points to it, Python will crash. It doesn't know how to add a mathematical number to a piece of text. That's why casting is so powerful.
By using the int function, we cast that string into an integer. Now, Python sees it as a real number that it can perform calculations on. Always check your work. By using the type function, you can verify that your conversion worked perfectly. This is a great debugging tool for beginners. For precision, like prices or ratings, we use the float function. This converts text into a decimal number, ensuring your calculations stay accurate. We can also cast the other way. Using the stir function converts a number back into text. This is essential when you want to build sentences with your data. Let's build a mini user profile app. We'll start by asking for the user's name. Remember, the input function always returns a string by default. Next, we ask for their age. Since you want to use this for math later, we immediately cast the input into an integer using our new int function. Now for the magic. We can calculate their age in 5 years and then cast that result back into a string to print it in a friendly welcome message. Watch out for errors! You can't cast a word like Python into an integer. It has to be a valid digit. Trying to cast invalid data will result in a Huawei. A good tip is to always double check the source of your data. If it's coming from a user, expect the unexpected and make sure your program is ready to handle it. Fantastic work today! You've mastered documenting your code with comments and transforming data with typecasting. These are the building blocks of clean professional code. For more deep dives and the full configuration guide, visit shrintax.tech. We have some incredible mega projects coming up that you won't want to miss. If you found this helpful, please like the video and subscribe to Siansh Lab. Your support means the world to us. Hope your day is going great. Let's build something fun!